Welcome to my channel, Math is Fine. Welcome also to our online lesson. Okay, first of all, thank you so much to all of my subscribers out there. And for those who are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever I uploaded a new video, you will be notified. Today, we're going to talk about divisibility rules. Okay, that is divisibility rules from 2 to 12. I promise you guys, you will learn something for today. So, have fun and learning, guys! Okay, here we go, guys. I grouped the numbers having similar rules. Okay, the first one is divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. How do we know that a number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Or in short, that is an even number. For example, is 568 divisible by 2? Okay, yes, because the ones digit, which is 8, is divisible by 2. Therefore, 568 is divisible by 2. Another example, is 56,784 divisible by 2? Okay, what's your answer? The answer is yes, because it ends with 4, which is an even number. Another example, is 895 divisible by 2? Alright, that's no, because 5 is not an even number, that is an odd number. Okay, the next one is divisibility rule for 5. How do we know that a number is divisible by 5? A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit of the number is 0 or 5. Okay, for example, is 660 divisible by 5? Alright, that's yes, because the ones digit here ending with 0. Okay, so 660 is divisible by 5. Another example, is 45,787 is divisible by 5? Alright, that's no, because it is not ending in 0 or 5. It ends with 7. Another example, is 895 divisible by 5? A big yes, because it ends with 5. Okay, that's the way how we're going to know whether a number is divisible by 5 or not. Alright, next is divisibility rule for 10. How do we know that a number is divisible by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit of the number is 0. Okay, for example, is 5,670 divisible by 10? Alright, it's yes, because the ones digit is 0. Therefore, 5,670 is divisible by 10. Another example, is 548 divisible by 10? Right, it's no, because it is not ending with 0. It ends with 8. Another one, is 230 divisible by 10? That's a big yes, because it ends with 0. Okay, the next group of numbers are divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. How do we know that a number is divisible by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, there's a word sum. What do you mean by sum? Okay, sum is the answer of addition. So, for example, is 561 divisible by 3? To get the answer is, we're going to add all the digits. Okay, we're going to add all the digits. That is 5 plus 6, the answer is 11, plus 1, the answer is equal to 12. Then, 12 divided by 3, the answer is equal to 4. So it means that 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore, 561 is divisible by 3 because the sum of all digits, which is 12, is divisible by 3. 12 is a multiple of 3. We can find that one in the skip counting 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So another example is 9,623 is divisible by 3. Okay, let's write a check. We are going to add all the digits. Okay, that is 9 plus 6, 15, plus 2, 17, plus 3 is equal to 20. Okay, is 20 a multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, 20 is not a multiple of 3. So therefore, 9,623 is not divisible by 3. Okay, another example. Is 265 divisible by 3? Yes or no? Alright, if your answer is no, then you are right. Okay, we're going to add all the digits. Okay, that is 2 plus 6, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. And 13 is not a multiple of 3. That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 13 is not there. So that's the way how we're going to know whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay guys, next is divisibility rule for 6. How do we know that a number is divisible by 6? If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So it means that, for example, is 864 divisible by 6? We're going to look at the ones digit. If the ones digit is divisible by 2, how do we know that a number is divisible by 2? If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, 864 can be divided by 2 as the ones digit 4 is an even number. So, after that, after we know that this is divisible by 2, next is we're going to add all the digits to know whether that number is divisible by 3. Okay, we're going to add 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So, 18, a multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So, 18 is a multiple of 3. 18 divided by 3, the answer is equal to 6. Since 864 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Another example. Is 3,426 divisible by 6? Okay, first is we're going to look at the ones digit. Okay, it ends with 6. And 6 is an even number. And if we're going to add all the digits, it gives an answer of 15, which is divisible by 3. Okay, that is 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So, this number is divisible by 6. Another example. Is 561 divisible by 6? Okay, first is we're going to look at the ones digit. It ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, it's not. So, that is not divisible by 6 because it ends with an odd number, not an even number. Okay, how do we know that a number is divisible by 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible or multiple of 9. For example, is 45,675 divisible by 9? We're going to add all the digits. So, that is 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 7 is 22, plus 5, that is equal to 27. Is 27 a multiple of 9? 9, 18, 27. So, 27 is a multiple of 9. So, 27 divided by 9, that is equal to 3. Therefore, 4,675 is divisible by 9. Another example. Is 4,674 divisible by 9? Okay, let's check. We add all the digits. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Plus 7 is 17. Plus 4 is equal to 21. Is 21 a multiple of 9? Okay, no. 21 is not divisible by 9. So, 4,674 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next is divisibility rules for 4, 8, and 12. Okay, how do we know that a number is divisible by 4? If the number formed by the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the original number is divisible by 4. Also, a number ending with 2 zeros is always divisible by 4. For example, is 816 divisible by 4? Okay, we're going to look at the last two digits. Okay, the last two digits is 16. So, 16 divided by 4, the answer is equal to 4. So, 816 is divisible by 4. Another one. Is 200 divisible by 4? Okay, yes, because it ends with 2 zeros. Another one. Is 53,923 divisible by 4? Okay, we're going to look at the last two digits. Okay, 23. 23 is a multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 23 is not there. So, 23 is not a multiple of 4. And 23 is not divisible by 4. So, 53,923 is not divisible by 4. Okay, next is divisibility rule for 8. Okay, how do we know that a number is divisible by 8? If the number formed by the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the original number is divisible by 8. Also, a number ending with 3 zeros is always divisible by 8. Okay, for example, is 12,184 is divisible by 8? Okay, the last three digits of 12,184 are 184. So, we're going to divide that one. 184 divided by 8, the answer is equal to 23. Therefore, 12,184 is divisible by 8. Another example. Is 8,000 divisible by 8? Alright, yes, because it ends with 3 zeros. Okay, it says here that, and also a number ending with 3 zeros is always divisible by 8. Okay, another one. Is 85,455 divisible by 4? Okay, no, because 455 is not divisible by 8. Okay, next is divisibility rule for 12. How do we know that a number is divisible by 12? A number is divisible by 12 if a number is divisible by both 3 and 4. So, for example, is 384 divisible by 12? Okay, let's try to check. First is we're going to add all the digits to check whether that is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 plus 8, the answer is 11, plus 4, the answer is equal to 15. Is 15 a multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it means that 15 is a multiple of 3. 15 divided by 3, the answer is equal to 5. So, 384 is divisible by 3. How about 4? Let's try to check whether this number is divisible by 4. 84 divided by 4. Okay, divisibility rules for 4, we're going to look at the last two digits. Okay, 84. Is that divisible by 4? Yes. We get the correct the answer of 21. So, therefore, 384 is divisible by 12 because It is both divisible by 3 and 4. Okay, another example. Is 34,500 divisible by 12? So let's try to check whether this number first is divisible by 3. Okay, how do we know that a number is divisible by 3? We're going to add all the digits. Okay, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0. The answer is equal to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. Okay, let's try to check. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. Okay, next is, we're going to look at the last two digits for divisibility rule for 4. So, it ends with 2 zeros, and it is said that if a number ending in 2 zeros, then that is always divisible by 4. So, 34,500 is divisible by 12 because it is both divisible by 3 and 4. Okay, next is divisibility rule for 7. Take the last digit of the number, double it, and subtract the doubled number from the remaining number. If the result is evenly divisible by 7 or 0, then the number is divisible by 7. This can be repeated. Okay, to make it easier, let's try this example. Is 2,492 divisible by 7? Okay, 2,492. Okay, it is said that we're going to take the last digit. Okay, we're going to double or we're going to multiply it by 2. Okay, 2 times 2, the answer is equal to 4. Then, subtract the answer from the remaining digits. Okay, the remaining digits is 249 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4, the answer is equal to 5. Just bring down 4 and 2. Then again, 245 is still a big number. We can double the last digit again. 5 times 2, the answer is equal to 10. Subtract it from the remaining digits. 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. So 14 now is a smaller number. And we're going to evaluate whether that is divisible by 7. Is 14 divisible by 7? Yes. Okay, that is 14 divided by 7. The answer is equal to 2. So, 2,492 is divisible by 7. Okay, another example. Is 3,157 divisible by 7? Okay, they said that we're going to take the last digit. Okay, the last digit is 7. Double the last digit. We are going to multiply it by 2. Okay, 7 times 2, the answer is equal to 14. Subtract it from the remaining digits. Okay, 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. And bring down 3. Then still, it is a big number. We can double the last digit again. Repeat the process. 1 times 2, the answer is equal to 2. 30 minus 2, the answer is equal to 28. So now, 28 is a smaller number. Let's try to check whether this number is divisible by 7. Okay, 28 divided by 7, the answer is equal to 4. So, 3,157 is divisible by 7. Okay guys, next is divisibility rule for 11. How do we know that a number is divisible by 11? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of those in the even places is 0 or divisible by 11. Do you understand? Oh, a little bit complicated, I know it. So let's have an example. Okay, for example, is 583 divisible by 11? Okay, we're going to look at the digits. Okay, this is the first digit, second digit, and the third digit. Okay, it is said here odd places. Okay, odd places are the first and the third digit. So the even places are, we have only here one even place. Okay, that is only the second digit. So we're going to add the first and the third digit. Okay, that is 5 plus 3, the answer is equal to 8. Then it is said here that we're going to get the difference. Okay, the difference of odd and even place. So, the even place here is 8. So, we're going to subtract it by 8. 8 minus 8, the answer is equal to 0. So, if you get an answer of 0, it means that this number, 583, is divisible by 11. Okay, another example. Is 2,845 divisible by 11? So, we have here 4 digits. So, we have a partner by partner. So, the first partner is 5 and 8. This is in the odd places. Another one is 4 and 2 in the even place. Okay, we're going to add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, the answer is equal to 13. Then take the difference. We're going to subtract. 2 plus 4, the answer is equal to 6. Then 13 minus 6, the answer is equal to 7. Then we're going to evaluate whether 7 is divisible by 11. Of course, that is not. And so our answer is not 0. So 2,845 is not divisible by 11. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. And God bless us all. Until next time.